Hey guys, and welcome back to Drawing Dragons Part 2. In this video, we're going to take our basic dragon sketch and turn it into a finished design. To do this, we want to start refining the shapes we've already plotted out. You can draw straight over the top of your sketch with darker lines, grab another piece of paper and trace over the top, or if you're working on a computer or tablet, you can add another layer. So starting with the head and working down, we can start adding some details and finalizing our line work inspired by our reference animals. We can add a mouth and decide what kind of eye shape and expression we want our dragon to have. Working down, we can add a frill to the neck, refine our arms and legs, add some chest scales and design our tail and wings. You may need to leave a space or erase a bit of your drawing to allow room to design your wings, so you might want to draw them before the body. It's up to you guys. And there you go, you've completed the design for your first dragon. But why not have a go at a second one? For this dragon, I decided to swap out my basilisk and hornbill and be inspired by pangolins and armadillos, adding in some armor plating and changing the shape of the wings. Have a go at creating your own variations, and next time we'll explore colour and shading. See you then!